This is the virtual and augmented reality capstone. In this class, students take 10 weeks to build VR and AR applications from scratch. VR and AR, I think, are really interesting because they may be the future of how we interact with our computers. So this is a really exciting start for a new technology.
This capstone is really amazing because with virtual reality and augmented reality, you get to work on new platforms and new applications, and you're basically a pioneer in this field. The technology takes storytelling to a new level.
It was cool how you could have the documents from your computer and then kind of interact with them in a different type of space.
The trigger is used to grab things and then move them around.
Okay.
It's a challenging project for me. I know there are many features that we can add on to this project. It looks cool, I think.
Our project is called Wasted, and the purpose of the project is to provide a realistic simulation of driving under the influence of alcohol. So I'll just show daytime to begin with. So this beginning section is just meant as a tutorial to prepare you for the harder nighttime section when you're actually under the influence of alcohol. So now this is the nighttime section where you're essentially driving home after the party. There's a variety of different effects going on right here. Some motion blur. There's a vignetting around the eyes, so your field of view is diminished.
I came into this class without any knowledge of VR and AR. So I think what I like most about this project is just the fact that I get to experiment and explore new technologies.
Our project is Operator 1983. You operate a terminal in a Cold War style military bunker to try to detect enemy airplanes and potential threats.
You have to watch out for the little signals on a radar and verify that they're a friendly and verify their codes.
The project was centered around the idea of using this Leap Motion hand tracking sensor. You have your full fingers in VR with the full dynamics of your hand, and it's so much more powerful than just a single controller you move around, and we think this is the future of interactions in VR.
That was great. Just the 3D experience of it all, and the fact that you don't have the controllers on your hands and you're looking all around and you're just in a whole nother world.
We are Team Lifesaver, and our goal is to create a virtual reality simulation for firefighters to prepare them for real-world emergencies. I think it's a really unique area because it combines a lot of CS fundamentals, but also the creativity and design aspect as well. And you just immerse yourself in a new world, and that's a lot of fun.
So I'm climbing the ladder here. Spent a lot of time with the two-handedness, just making it work with both hands. At first I thought it was going to be hard, but it was surprisingly intuitive, even though at a glance it seems pretty complicated. I have never experienced a search and rescue mission, and learning what it's like from a firefighter's perspective was really interesting, and at the same time it was just really fun to play through.